Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Jay here with a look at the Taotronics massage gun. And so these were some of the things, that were inside the case. So trigger points, therapy, user guide. I'm gonna go and get the components going. So this is the massage gun itself. Looks like a radar gun or a LiDAR gun, like I'm about to go and record speeds or something like that. You have your cable to charge. This is battery operated, by the way, so it is portable. You have 6 little connectors. I know this one is for the neck. And let's see the instruction manual, because I want to make sure I tell y'all correctly which ones are which. So those are called massage heads. So this is a spherical head for large muscle groups such as the arms, backs, hips, thighs, and calves. This one it's called a D-shaped head for abdominal muscle. So abdominal muscle. Had to use this one recently for the neck, especially when you find yourself sleeping wrong in the bed. This is a flat head. It's for back bulk muscle groups. This guy here is a bullet head. It's for impacting deep tissues such as the meridians, the joints, the palms, and the soles. And the air cushioning soft head for sensitive muscle relaxation. And that is that. So I know what you want to know is, how does this thing work? Powering up. So I'm going to discuss just a few more features in it. So this right here, if you were to click here, and I'm not going to do it, but if you push this in and pull up, it has a battery inside. Now I'm not going to do this on the video because I don't want to mess anything up, but it has a rechargeable battery in it. That's why you're able to operate this without the charging cable. You only use the charging cable to recharge the battery. And so what I'm going to do now is just simply turn this on, and it's going to activate to let you know that the battery is fully charged with green. Now you have two little screens here. This is the speed at which the massage gun is going, and then 10 represents will be the equivalent to, I guess, 100%, saying I have a full battery. And when you're charging this, it'll pulsate, off and on, yellow, green, or whatever. And once it turns solid green, you'll know that it's fully charged. Now, I'll list on this video somewhere on the screen what the different colors mean. I think yellow means that you may be a certain percentage, but I'll put that on the screen for you so you'll know for your knowledge. So I'm just gonna stick one of the massage heads on here. And what you do here is you're gonna simply just insert it here. What you wanna do is, I normally typically just push it all the way back. And then from there, you power it up. Now, I'm gonna say this, when I first started, I was trying to say, okay, hey, do I just hit plus and it comes on? No, you have to power it up, and then you'll see that it starts to vibrate. And so I'll just kind of, do this. Feels good. Now this thing can go up to 10 speed. So you have to be careful with this. Keep this thing away from little kids. But man, that feels real good. At 10, it's vibrating real fast. And you can hear it. It's probably picking up on my mic. So I'm gonna slow that thing back down to 10. And with the different components, man, you get a good deal with this. And so this is by Taotronics. It's a 10-speed massage gun with 6 massage heads and a charging cable that goes in your outlet. If you have any questions, let me know. And as always, this is your boy Jay, and I'm signing out. Peace.